In today's video, I will teach you how to make a dual lighting effect using Photopea. Let's get started. First, open Photopea and load the image that you want to edit. A portrait or close-up image works well for this effect. In the Layers panel, right-click on the image layer and select Duplicate Layer. You should now have two identical layers. Now right-click the duplicated layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. This allows you to apply filters non-destructively so you can make adjustments as needed. Now go to Layer, then New Fill Layer, then Solid Color. Then select the first color that you want for the lighting effect. For example, choose cyan or blue for a cool light effect. Then set the blending mode of this color layer to soft light or overlay for a subtle effect. Or you can change it to color for a stronger tint. With the color fill layer selected, click the layer mask thumbnail. Then select the gradient tool from the toolbar. And make sure your gradient goes from black to white. Then apply the gradient on the mask to reveal the color on one side of the subject. Then click and drag across the image to control the spread of the color on one side. Now duplicate the color fill layer by right-clicking on it and selecting Duplicate Layer, or simply by pressing Ctrl-J on your keyboard. Then change the color of this new fill layer to a contrasting color like red or magenta if your first color was blue. Then adjust the blending mode to soft light or overlay or color to match the first color layer. Then use the gradient tool on the layer mask to apply the second color to the opposite side of the subject. Then select each color fill layer and adjust the opacity to soften the effect as needed. This helps create a more balanced dual lighting effect. To enhance the contrast, go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, then Curves or Levels, and adjust the shadows and highlights to add depth and make the dual lighting effect stand out even more. And if you want to refine the color placement, select the color mask of each color fill layer. Then use a soft brush to manually paint with black or white on the mask, revealing or concealing color when necessary. And once you're happy with the result, go to File, then Export As to save your image. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.